In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write Sora prompts to create viral videos. Easy guide. We'll start from a blank browser and end with a polished prompt ready to generate a video in Sora. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and click the official ChatGPT website. If you see a sign-in screen, log in so you can use the chat. Now think of the idea you want to turn into a video. In the chat, describe that idea and ask ChatGPT to turn it into a detailed Sora prompt. Be clear about the subject, the action, the setting, and the mood. For example, if your idea is a tiger walking through a house gate, a brave cat squaring up, the tiger bumping the gate and running off, and the whole thing captured by a daytime CCTV camera, say that plainly. Then add cinematic detail to make it production ready. Fixed CCTV angle, wide shot, 1080p at 30 frames per second, neutral color grading, natural daylight, subtle camera shake appropriate for surveillance footage, and a short runtime that matches your platform, like 5 to 8 seconds. You can also note pacing or tone, such as playful or comedic timing. If there's anything you don't want, include a brief avoid line, like no gore, no text overlays, and no trademarks. When your message looks good, click Submit. ChatGPT will generate a structured prompt. Read it carefully, check that it captures your story beats in the right order, mentions the CCTV style, and includes technical details like aspect ratio, duration, and resolution. If something's missing, ask the chat to refine it until it's concise, specific, and easy for Sora to follow. Once you're happy, copy the generated prompt. Next, go to Sora. Open the interface where you create videos. In the prompt box, paste what you copied. If Sora offers fields for aspect ratio or duration, match them to the prompt so everything stays consistent. Consistency reduces surprises and helps the model nail the look and timing you want. Finally, click Submit. Give it a moment to process. When your video is ready, play it through from start to finish and compare it to your original intent. If a detail is off, tweak the prompt, adjust the shot description, lighting, or timing, and submit again. Viral videos often come from tight, iterative prompts, so small refinements make a big difference. And, as always, keep your ideas safe, original, and in line with platform guidelines. That's it. Your path from idea to a Sora-ready prompt using ChatGPT